Looking for rock-solid stocks that can pay you dividends for decades? In this video, we're breaking down the top Dividend King stocks, elite companies that have increased their dividends for 50-plus years straight. If you're serious about building reliable passive income, you won't want to miss this. Welcome to Business Training Media Stock Investing Series. In today's video, we'll dive into the top Dividend King stocks that can provide you with reliable passive income. Investors seeking stable and reliable income often turn to dividend-paying stocks, and among them, Dividend Kings stand out as a unique and elite group. A company is considered a Dividend King if it has raised its dividends every year for at least 50 years in a row in addition to paying them on a regular basis. These businesses exhibit remarkable resilience, financial strength, and a dedication to providing value to their shareholders. Here is a thorough analysis of each of the 12 best Dividend King stocks for passive income that we have compiled. Number 1. Procter & Gamble, ticker PG. Procter & Gamble, a significant player in the consumer goods sector, produces a range of household products. P&G is not only a Dividend King but also one of the oldest companies to pay dividends, having done so since 1890. Any income-focused portfolio would be strengthened by the company's dedication to innovation, strong brand, and global presence. For 65 years in a row, Procter & Gamble has raised its dividend. Procter & Gamble has a history of steady dividend growth, a robust portfolio of brands, and a global market presence. Number 2. Coca-Cola, ticker KO. Coca-Cola is a well-known brand that is known all over the world. Refreshment is now synonymous with the company's products, including its signature beverage. As a Dividend King, Coca-Cola has proven that it can adjust to shifting consumer tastes while still being dedicated to giving shareholders their money back. Coca-Cola has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years. Coca-Cola is well known throughout the world, offers a wide range of products, and is steadfast in its dividend commitment. Number 3. Johnson & Johnson, ticker J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a giant in the healthcare and consumer goods sectors. Through a solid business strategy that encompasses pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products, J&J has consistently delivered value to shareholders. The company's commitment to innovation and diverse revenue stream make it a compelling choice for long-term investors. Johnson & Johnson has increased its dividend for 59 consecutive years. Johnson & Johnson has a strong presence in the healthcare sector, a history of innovation, and a variety of business segments. Number 4. 3M, ticker MMM. 3M is a conglomerate that produces a wide range of products, from adhesives to healthcare solutions, and is renowned for its innovation across multiple industries. 3M is a dependable source of income for long-term investors due to its extensive history and dedication to steady dividend growth. 3M has increased its dividend for 63 consecutive years. 3M has a diverse product portfolio, a history of innovation, and a commitment to shareholder value. Number 5. Emerson Electric, ticker EMR. Global manufacturing and technology firm Emerson Electric offers products for consumer, business, and industrial markets. Emerson has responded to shifting market conditions by concentrating on automation and technology, all the while providing shareholders with an increasing dividend stream. For 65 years in a row, Emerson Electric has raised its dividend. Emerson Electric has a strong position in industrial automation, a commitment to technology, and a consistent dividend growth history. Number 6. Genuine Parts Company, ticker GPC. Genuine Parts Company is a leading distributor of automotive and industrial replacement parts. With a history dating back to 1928, GPC has weathered economic cycles and consistently rewarded shareholders. The company's focus on distribution and a diverse customer base contribute to its resilience. Genuine Parts Company has increased its dividend for 65 consecutive years. Genuine Parts Company has an established distribution network, resilience in economic cycles, and a commitment to dividends. Number 7. Parker Hannifin Corporation, ticker PH. Parker Hannifin is a global leader in motion and control technologies, serving a wide range of industries. The company's focus on innovation and engineering solutions has contributed to its long history of success. For income investors, Parker Hannifin offers both stability and growth potential. Parker Hannifin has increased its dividend for 65 consecutive years. Parker Hannifin has strong leadership in motion and control technologies, an emphasis on innovation, and a commitment to shareholder returns. Number 8. Colgate, ticker CL. Colgate is a multinational consumer goods company known for its oral care, personal care, and household products. With a strong global presence and a portfolio of well-known brands, Colgate has been a consistent performer for investors seeking both growth and income. Colgate has increased its dividend for 58 consecutive years. Colgate has global brand recognition, a diverse product portfolio, and a history of consistent dividend growth. Number 9. Stanley Black & Decker Inc., ticker SWK. Stanley Black & Decker is a multifaceted international supplier of engineered fastening systems, industrial tools, and security solutions. With a history dating back to 1843, the company has a legacy of innovation and adaptability, making it a reliable choice for investors seeking stability and growth in their portfolios. Stanley Black & Decker has increased its dividend for 54 consecutive years. The business is a leader in security solutions and industrial tools, has a history of innovation, and is dedicated to steady dividend growth. Number 10. Hormel Foods Corporation, ticker HRL. The multinational food corporation Hormel Foods is well known for its wide range of brands, which include Hormel, Skippy, and Spam. As a dividend king, Hormel has proven that it can successfully negotiate the difficulties of the food sector while continuously giving shareholders their money back. Hormel Foods has increased its dividend for 55 consecutive years. Hormel Foods has a history of dividend growth, a diversified portfolio of food brands, and resilience in the food industry. Number 11. Lancaster Colony Corporation, ticker Lancy. Lancaster Colony Corporation is a leading manufacturer and marketer of specialty food products. An appealing choice for income-focused investors, the company's remarkable dividend growth record is a result of its emphasis on quality and innovation in the food sector. Lancaster Colony Corporation has increased its dividend for 58 consecutive years. In addition to its dedication to quality and track record of steady dividend growth, Lancaster Colony specializes in niche food products. Number 12. Lowe's Companies Inc., ticker LOW. Both homeowners and contractors now frequently shop at Lowe's, a home improvement store. As a dividend king, Lowe's has demonstrated its ability to thrive in the retail sector while providing value to shareholders through steady dividend growth. Lowe's Companies has increased its dividend for 60 consecutive years. Resilience in retail, a strong position in the home improvement industry, and a dedication to shareholder returns characterize Lowe's Companies. Investing in dividend kings offers the potential for long-term capital growth as well as a consistent income stream. In addition to surviving numerous economic downturns, the businesses we covered have continuously increased dividend payments to shareholders. Diversifying across multiple dividend kings can further boost the stability and resilience of a dividend-focused portfolio. The track records of these dividend kings indicate a commitment to shareholder value that is in line with buy-and-hold investing principles, even though past performance does not guarantee future results. However, investors need to conduct thorough research and consider their individual risk tolerance and financial goals. If you want to sharpen your dividend investing skills, check out the courses we've linked in the description. Start learning today and take your investing to the next level. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. I appreciate you watching, and I wish you luck in your investments.